all by myself. Don't wanna be. So guys, I have gunga rice and peas, Jamaicans, and I have baked mac and cheese. I have the ham here. I have barbecue ribs. I am about to eat, and look what I got. I got mac and cheese right here. It's very creamy. I have the rice and peas. I have the oxtail. I have barbecue ribs, ham, curry goat, and then some mixed veggies. Yes, it's about to go down. I'll show you the aftermath. Okay, I'll show y'all. Yes, I am on the floor, and I just wanted to say, like, I can't eat my food off. Only because I can't really eat like after I cook, because if I eat immediately after I cook that much food, then it's like I'm already full from like just being around the food. I don't know if it happens to anybody else, but it happens to my mom. So comment down below and let me know if it happens to you. Like when you cook a lot of food, can you eat it like right after you cook it, or do you have to wait a while or the next day or something? Because I don't know, but it just happens to me. So I didn't finish my food, but I'll just show you what I did eat. I mostly add like the rice. Look, so I had the rice from here and some mac and cheese and the curry goat. And so now I think I'm gonna take a nap, and then I'll eat some more food later, because right now I'm super exhausted because I woke up too early, but then I stayed in bed and I was watching this show, guys. It was so weird. It's called Flowers in the Attic. It was really good. It was this girl. She looked like Emma Watson, but it wasn't her. But it was a really good movie on Lifetime Movie Network. So yeah, but it's really sad though. So yeah, I will just go take a nap, and I will check in with you guys later and tell you how my Thanksgiving went. So like that's all I did today. I woke up, I watched a movie, then I got up, I cooked, and I took a shower, and then I tried to eat my food. Yeah, usually I'm Jamaican, so on holidays Jamaicans usually clean a lot, but like I didn't do it today because I think I was too busy cooking to do that. I was just gonna clean my room, but I'm off tomorrow from work, which is Friday when you'll be seeing this video, so I don't have to do it today. I could just do it tomorrow. Thank God for that job. Oh yep. Oh, also while I'm here filming, I might as well just tell you guys what I'm thankful for. So this year I am thankful for a lot of things and a lot of people, but like there were like 3 particular person, I'm not gonna list their names, in my life this year, like that made my life much more easier. Like, so I'm thankful for them. Of course, I'm always thankful for ice cream. I'm always thankful for God and his mercies and his blessings. Thankful for life, health, strength, all that good stuff. I didn't get COVID or anything, so I'm thankful for that. I didn't lose my job or anything, so I'm also thankful for that, because a lot of people was out of work because of COVID, and I was fortunate enough or blessed enough that I didn't like lose my job. I've just been working from home since March, so I'm grateful that I was blessed with a job that I could just actually work from home. So yes, shout out to God, because he always got my back, period, okay? Yes. So guys, yeah, okay, I'm talking a little bit too much, so I will just go and take a nap, and I'll see you guys when I wake up, because it's early now. It's just like 4:50, so it's not even that late. It's getting dark outside. I didn't go outside today at all. I plan to go to my mom's and get some veggies. Because she makes the veggies that I love. She makes it like shredded cabbage and carrots. Like if you're Jamaican, like it's a classic. It's like a coleslaw, but it's not like American coleslaw. Yeah, and she usually put raisins in there. So yeah, if you watch my brother's the video when they surprised my brother, it was in that video. So yeah. But I didn't go, and I was also gonna go and get some juice from there because they do carrot juice with milk, and I love that. It's one of my favorite drinks, along with like pineapple ginger or whatever. But I'm obsessed with this cran pineapple juice right now, so that's what I had today. It's like really good, so that's what I had. But anyways, I'm talking too much. I'm sorry, guys. Excuse me for babbling. But yeah, it's like I'm having Thanksgiving by myself, so you guys are my company. So if I'm babbling, thank you guys for listening. You see, you're spending Thanksgiving with me because all by myself, don't wanna be. I'm such a clown. But anyways, guys, I will see you in a few minutes or hours. Toodles. So guys, I just woke up from my nap. I called my mom, my cousin, you know, just like to chit chat for a little bit. I actually, for the first time, I actually put the food away. Usually I leave the food on the stove. My mom knows this. So usually I do that, but today I decided, you know what, I'm gonna put the food away, and I washed all the pots and everything except for one. I didn't wash one of them, but that's okay. I'll do that tomorrow because I'm tired. Just one. It's just one, guys. Don't be judging me in the comments, by the way. It's just one thing. But yeah, I did that, and so now, oh, did I say that I had something to eat? If I didn't, then I did. I had something to eat, and I had some more cran pineapple juice. It's my new favorite juice, so if you wanted to get me something to drink, cran pineapple. I don't drink cranberry juice, but I drink cran pineapple. Like, I feel like it's the best pineapple. It's the best cranberry. So yeah, I don't need to try the other ones, but yeah. So while I'm here, I might as well just tell you a little fun fact about me, I guess. So I came to America in November of 2012. So that was 8 years ago. 8 years and a few months. So which means this is my 8th Thanksgiving. Yes, my 8th. So, and it's also my second time hosting. Well, last year I hosted, but I actually had people over here. This year it was like my first Thanksgiving all by myself, which was totally fine. Like, I did enjoy it. Like, it was just peaceful, just being here by myself, cooking, and you know, like, it was just fun. Somewhat, yeah. And I do what I usually do, like call my friends to chat, like, you know, like I was doing that all day too. So yeah. And so, oh, by the way, guys, in Jamaica we do not have Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is, I think it's an American holiday, or I know Canada has it, but they have theirs in October. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I think theirs is October. So yeah. Usually I'm at like a family member's house. Like, sometimes I'm in New York at my aunt's house, or at my mom's house. Usually most of my Thanksgiving, as I've actually been at my mom's house. She doesn't live too far from me. She's like 15 minutes from me, and she is having Thanksgiving this year, but I decided not to go, like, because I didn't want to. Like, I just feel like, okay, like, I want to start my little tradition. So when I have my family, it's something that I actually want to do. I want to have my own Thanksgiving where I have people over. And actually, I don't know about that. I just know that I want to have my family there. Or I don't mind going to somebody's house, I guess. Because like today when I was cooking, like it was a lot of work and I was just thinking to myself like, do I really want to do this next year? Because it's fun cooking and all and it feels good. But when you cook, you don't get to enjoy the food as much as when somebody else does it. I mean, you will enjoy the food, but you just won't enjoy it on Thanksgiving Day, the day that you actually cook it. Yeah, I like Thanksgiving. I just like the fact that I get extra days off from work. So that's cool. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was my first solo Thanksgiving, guys. First solo. But you know what? You know what? I liked it. And I'm grateful. I'm blessed. I'm beyond blessed to have the people in my life that I do because they're super amazing. The ones that I do have and the ones that did leave. Toodles. Bye. But yeah. Yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna watch TV for the rest of the night and go to sleep, or I might just scroll through social media for a few. When I say few, sometimes that means hours. But I'm tired. My eyes are really tired, so I don't think I'll be up that late. I feel like I should use this opportunity to catch up on my rest because I've been really exhausted. Like I've just been feeling so drained. Like I have a lot going on and I have work and other things that I have been doing and it's just so time consuming. So I'm so grateful for the break that I actually had a half day yesterday, which was Wednesday, and I have a full day off today, Thanksgiving, the Thursday, and I have Friday off. So it's like a very long weekend for me to like catch up on my sleep and to just rest and recover from like all the things that I have going on because like your girl is drained, both mentally, physically, emotionally, like all that stuff. Like I'm super drained. So like sometimes it's just good for you to take a break from everything that's going on in your life. Like if you need a mental break, then you know what, go ahead and do you, boo. Like ain't nobody judging you, or if they are judging you, then who cares? Because at the end of the day, you need to know, like you have to know what's best for you. So I'm really grateful that I just get a time by myself to just like relax and to think and to just plan, or like do what I want to do. What me, Marla, Florence, whatever, just what I want to do. So I'm beyond grateful that I have that. I don't know what it's all like to read. No, it's not. But anyways, yeah. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I appreciate all of you guys for always liking, commenting, watching my videos. I appreciate all the love and support that I have been getting, and I feel blessed to have you all a part of Marla's world. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, by the way, guys, if you have video ideas, you can comment them down below, and I'll be looking at the comments, and then I'll decide, okay, if I want to do that video. Most likely I will. It depends on what it is. If it's something too crazy, then I probably won't, but like, you get the gist. Like, just leave a comment and let me know what you want to see next on Marla's World, and I will look into doing that video. And it might actually be the video that I do next. So, make sure you leave your comment, and thank you guys for watching. Happy Thanksgiving again. Hope you guys had a great one since you're seeing this the day after Thanksgiving. But yeah, I love y'all. Bye, guys.